Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to any photos into passport size photo in Word on your mobile phone. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my mobile I just open Word application and I just want to create a new application over here. So just click a plus button to create a new application. So just create a blank document. Now I just want to use any type of photo to convert into passport size. What I have to do here? Just go to Google Chrome or any type of gallery. So choose some photos. I have chosen this photo. I just copy the photo and I just want to convert this photo into a passport. What I have to do here? Just long press on that. You just have the paste. Yes, now I just pasted over there. So any types of photo over here. So now I just want to make this one into a passport size photo. Once you select this option, so you will find an option called the crop button over here in the downside. You just click here to crop, so automatically crop option will be enabled over here. So just use your hand symbol to crop the photos. I just want to crop this photo into like a passport size. So with the shoulder size, I just cut this photo. So I just want to increase kind of things. Whatever you want, you can edit according to your needs. So similarly, I just need a headroom over here, so I just increase the size of my photographs, everything I just created. Yes, I just cropped over here like a passport size. So now my passport size cropped over here. Now I just want to resize into a passport. What I have to do here? Just select this one. So there will be an option called a size. So in your corner you will find an option called a button over here. Just click the button. You will find a lot of option over here like a photo size. So just scroll down, you will have a size option. So the passport size is 3.5 centimeter width and 4.5 centimeter height. So just give a 4.5 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter like a passport size. Yes, the passport size has been set over here. So now I just want to make a passport size into a border. What I have to do here? So on your picture style, just click the picture style. There will be a option called a border over here. So just choose the border. So once I choose the border will be applied over here. So if you don't want any effect, just click a shadow option. So no effect, so no shadows will be there. So now my passport size is ready. So now I just want to copy the same thing and paste over here. So what I have to do here? So first and foremost, just go to the picture option, wrap picture and tight the picture. So just click a tight option. So once I tight all the key things, just long press on that, you will get option called copy paste option. So just long press on the image, you will find a copy. So once I copy the content and I just want to paste this one, so I just drag and keep it over here. Similarly, I just want to copy the same picture over here, so I just paste this text over here. So I just drag and drop over here. Yeah, similarly I can copy and paste a lot of photos and I can make this one into a passport size as you see here. So just long press on that, automatically the paste option will be okay here. So I just select. Similarly, I just have a copy paste using my mobile phone itself. I don't never ever use any type of laptop or system. I just using my mobile phone to copy and paste this option. So it is easy for me to access the entire thing. Now my passport has been ready. So now I just copy one more copy and paste option. So I just drag and drop over here, as well as I just want to again copy and paste option. Yeah, so totally 8 photos is ready. Now I just want to export this one into a PDF to give a printer. What I have to do here? So you just save the file. So simple and easiest way to save the file. So there will be a save option over here. So you can click here for the 3 dots and save as. Once you select the save as option, you can choose a storage option where you want to save. So I just want to save this file. My file has been saved over here. So share as a PDF. I can share as the PDF so that my PDF will be ready. I can share anywhere else. Simple and easiest way, using your mobile phone itself, you can create a passport size photo and you can send for your things. Any picture you can make a passport size. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.